Okay, so we're gonna change the transfer case gear oil with this Hypoid gear oil. Takes, I think, just a little over a half quart or something. We're gonna use this to pump that out of there. So we're gonna need a 3/8 inch breaker bar, which we have there, and a little pipe to put on the end to give us a little more torque. Okay, so going up under the front, what we're gonna be doing. So this was our jack point for reference. This was the automatic transmission fluid drain bolt. We're going to follow back this way. Out is the top fill bolt. This one we're going to undo first. There's our drain bolt right on the bottom, so that's awesome. So here's the steps. We're going to remove this top fill bolt first. We're going to put a new crush washer on it, set it aside, ready to go back in later. Then we're going to get our drain pan. We're going to take this drain bolt off. We're going to let it drain. We're going to clean it up. We're going to put on our new crush washer. Once it's drained out, we're going to wipe that clean and put on our new bolt, and we're going to tighten it snug. Then we're going to fill with our tubes through that hole until it starts to slowly leak back out, letting us know that it's full. Once that happens, we will stop pumping the new fluid in there, and we will put that bolt back in there and snug it up, and the job will be done. So they're the same. They both have the new crush washer on and getting ready to put the drain bolt back in, and then we'll put our new fluid in. Okay, our drain bolt is back in and tightened. We have our quart hooked up to the fill part in the top. So now we're just going to pump that fluid in like this until it starts to come out. So it's going to take a while. It takes about we're over a half quart, I think. So these pump slowly, so I'm not going to video all that, but I'll pump it until it starts to drain out right there, and then I'll put the fill plug back in and we'll be done.